Hi, good morning all. Welcome back to early morning session. सुबह सुबह में आप लोग को भगाता हूं मैं. बोला 9 बजे मार्केट चालू होता है, सुबह को 7 बजे उठना पड़ता है and then getting ready for the market. But that is the beauty of this market. In the first 15-20 minutes, half an hour, you do your trade, okay, make money or push in your trades and just relax, do everything else, come back at 3 o'clock and see the money coming into your account. That is the beauty of this particular market. So ups and downs will continue. Again, I am saying, and again I am repeating, when the market is going up, don't sell, buy. When the market is dancing right at the top, okay, wait. Let the market decide what it wants to do, whether it wants to go up further or whether it wants to come down. Okay, so don't be in a rush to buy something or sell something. Give yourself enough time. Think about it, what it is doing. Go see, everybody has to do one thing. You have to go through the higher time frames. ऊपर से नीचे देखो. Think about it. You are outside an cricket stadium and you are unable to go inside the stadium because the stadium is full. Now suddenly you find a hole. इतना छोटा सा होल दिख रहा है आपको एंड वहां से मैच दिख रही है, लेकिन वो होल से क्या दिख सकेगा आपको? Either the bowler is going past or fielder is going here, there, and that noise which you will hear, but you will not be able to see everything. Then you decided कि अभी मेरे को क्या करना है, लेकिन इतना छोटा होल में I can see something that that जोश आता, करूं कि नहीं करूं? So what you do is you put your fingers and try to make that hole big. And when you made that hole big, थोड़ा और दिखने का start हुआ. And you were able to watch like this. The hole became bigger and you were able to watch. अरे ऐसे करता हूं तो थोड़ा दिखता है, ऐसे करता हूं तो थोड़ा दिखता है. So now I am able to see something ऊपर नीचे. Okay, लेकिन मजा आता है, थोड़ा बड़ा दिखता है तो. And that is what life is all about. थोड़ा ज्यादा दिखना चाहिए. But then what you thought is क्या यार इससे भी मजा नहीं आता है, because by the time that ball is going there, I have to do like this, लेकिन पूरा नहीं दिखता है. So what you do is 2-3 उंगली और डाल के और खोदने का स्टार्ट करते हो इधर उधर, and you are able to remove one brick. Okay, you are able to remove one brick. अभी देखो, you are able to see the whole pitch over there. क्या fun है. You can just wait. अभी बड़ा स्क्रीन पे थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है, that pitch is thin. लेकिन जब भी बैट्समैन 4 मारता है, कैच होता है, तो you are not able to see the on the extreme left or on the extreme right. What is wrong? जब भी इतना दिख रहा था, तभी तो that enthu was there. That enthu was there. I am able to see something. फिर दिल मांगे more, थोड़ा और बढ़ा दिया. Then you are able to remove that brick. थोड़ा और बढ़ा दीजिए. Now just imagine करो, you are able to remove 2-3 bricks. Now you are able to see the whole thing. मजा आया कि नहीं आया? बैट्समैन दिखेगा, बॉलर दिखेगा, फील्डर भी दिखेगा. And that is the beauty. That is the beauty. You have to go to the higher time frames. When you see from the top up, it is a top down approach. Higher time frame, weekly, daily, 240 minutes. When you see from the high, you are able to see more. What is the whole picture doing? In a 10 minutes chart वो sell आ रहा है, लेकिन on the higher time frame it is a buy. So think about it. Most of the time, why the intraday players do not make money is because they are not able to see the higher time frames. Why I was able to make more money in Glenmark and Reliance and in Bank Nifty? Why? Because I was able to see a bigger picture. I was convinced that the stock would run up from the place where nobody is willing to buy. I was convinced that this is a strong demand zone. A support is there, monthly support is there. I was convinced that from here, if there is a bounce, the price would tend to go up. I was convinced that the cycle really works as far as sector analysis is concerned. Okay. Between 2008-9 to 2013, which were the sector which was moving the market? The market was moved by the pharma sector, one side going up. Okay, so that was the sector which performed, IT sector that performed. Okay, now around 2013-14, the pharma sector started to go down straight. And till 2020, pharma sector was really down and out, I would say. A 12,000 or a 1200 rupees wala Sun Pharma coming down to less than around 300, 400 ke beech mein. That means going down by almost 75%. Now this is the time to buy, because all the down periods have been completed by them. Now think about it. Whether it is Glenmark, whether it is Sun Pharma, whether it was Lupin, whether it was Dr. Reddy, everybody had completed the cycle of the down move and were ready to pick up. Okay, and that was the conviction. The silver trade of a cup and handle going up, that was a conviction. That now this has bottom out. Okay, इससे नीचे जाने का मुश्किल है. Not now, नामुमकिन नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मुश्किल है, but it is fine. This is what stock market is all about. When people are fearful, we are buying. Why? Because we are able to identify the zones which are there. And that is what you need to understand. Where the big players wants to buy. Sasta. Stock like Reliance going down by almost 50%. Okay, and so many stocks, not one, two. Whether it is Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, everyone going down more than 50% plus in just a matter of 3 months, 2 months in fact, or even I can say less than 2 months, matter of few weeks. Now this is where your skill are going to come into picture in the near future. Your skill of understanding the option market, your skill of hedging your positions, your skill of protecting your wealth, your skill of identifying where the market is, which stage of the market is, and then hedging your position. So even when the price or the market goes down, you are not at a loss. And that is how long-term investment can be done, or that is how the wealth can be created and wealth can be protected. The options will give you that option to protect your portfolio to a very big extent. Okay, you can really sell something on the downside while the price is going up, and you are still able to make that money. Now, if I put 7 lakh rupees in one particular stock, and even if that stock goes up by 100 points, 200 points, how much I will make? Maybe whatever is the lot size, multiply by whatever it is. So percentage wise, am I making too much of money? No, I may beat the bank. I may beat the bank when the stock will move up. But am I creating wealth? Am I making enough money for myself? Think about it. On the same grounds, if you can play the option game, okay, with a smaller capital also, huge movement capture is there, but you cannot be greedy. You should know which strike price to buy in, which strike price to sell in also, not a problem at all. And that is why I say, improve your skill, because money is the byproduct of the skills which you will develop. Think about Sachin Tendulkar. When he was young, he was just concentrating on the skill. Straight bat. I remember one incident which had come in. Okay, Tendulkar, when he was young and he was out on the slip because his bat was not straight and cut marke slip mein catch, he got out. So Acharekar sir had told him to practice the straight bat. Okay, and for 7 days, morning when he used to come to the nets, okay, he was just doing this, practicing the straight bat. 7 days, he did not argue with Acharekar sir. Okay, why 7 days you are only telling me to do this? But he concentrated on his straight bat, and later on, okay, when he used to play, when he used to do a straight bat, that means it would definitely go for a 4. That was the power of that practice what he carried out. Whether it is Tendulkar or whether it is any of our actor, they give lot of time, energy to their practice, to their craft. Okay, and it is very, very important that you also get convinced, yes, it is possible for me to make it in the market. I can convert my laptop to an ATM machine. It is possible to make money from this particular market. And it is important that you love what you are doing. It is important that you follow the system, you follow the process of how to go about it. See, please remember, it is very easy to, go away from the market. Nahi samajh mein aaya. Fine. But did you learn from this particular mistake what you are doing? Now you are doing the mistake of, being greedy. You are making mistake of being afraid of the market. You are making mistake of not following the rules. Okay, so all these have to be improved on. Please understand, even today I am feeling afraid to put in the trade. Yes, after 6-7 years, that afraid wala thing is going to remain, because it is our hard-earned money which is going into the market. It is like you putting in the bait मच्छी पकड़ने के लिए. Okay, but then it is fine because I need to follow the system. The risk management part, I need to follow that. It is very important that unless and until the risk is not known, I cannot take an entry. But when the risk is known, I will take that entry, and that is the beauty of this particular market. So in options, what I tell everyone, how much is the loss per trade? Maximum 5,000. That's it. You can go wrong. Yes, of course you can go wrong. Can you mess up? Of course you can mess up. But that is the beauty. You can mess up and then play a right game. Market gives you an opportunity on a regular basis, every day. On a regular basis, every day. Market is not going to shut. It took me some time. But when the system was in place, the process was in place, I am being very honest. I have blown my account not once, but twice. Yes, twice. It was painful. I used to go to the bathroom and cry. It was painful because I was not getting it right. It will be painful sometime, but learn from that mistakes. Learn what has gone wrong. In a buyer market, you cannot sell, but in seller market, you cannot buy. That's the rule. Find out what stage you are in. What stage of the market you are in, and then trade accordingly. And when you are unable to find out where the market is heading, just wait. Even waiting is a very, very important rule. Be honest with yourself. Write your journal, write. You have made mistake, fine, not a problem. Seek help. Like I said, I have 3 mentors with me to take me to the next level, next level, next level. It is okay. Lekin it is a fast forward in our growth. Now I can do whatever I want, okay, according to my rules and conditions, not a problem at all. And nobody to stop me. Okay, I can experiment on myself. But then why experiment? Why experiment with time, money, and frustration? Like we say, we have this tradition of having gurus. Okay, what does the guru do? He helps you to understand where that process of bypassing the things which are not wanted or which may harm you. He helps you to understand the game correct. Boss, there are 2 ways of going past this. Either you climb the thing and go by, or there are ways you can bypass this from this side, or you can bypass this from this side. So which is the easiest way? So that help is needed for everyone, whatever the age. We have seen a 69-year-old guy, okay, making money in the market. That is the Josh. Okay, that is the attitude, boss, never die attitude of learning something new today. Okay, and going for it. Yes, there will be anxiety. Yes, there will be frustration. Yes, there will be pain. But think about the cream. Think about the money. Think about the beautiful life you can spend. Think about the freedom you can get from this. When you will be able to do it right. A gymnasium, वो जिम करता है तो एक दिन में बॉडी भी नहीं बनता है. That is painful process. Oh, hands, legs, everything is paining at night. Cannot go to sleep because the whole body is paining. But that is what it allows the muscles to grow. Likewise, our mind will go through that pain, but it is allowing you to grow as a human being. What you become is more important than what you are. सब लोग को जाना है for sure. कल हम लोग जाएंगे. Nobody knows when the time will come, but till that time, boss, live and make your dream come true. Guys, thank you very much to listen to me. But believe me, this is a wonderful place to be in. This is a place where dreams do come true. थोड़ा time लगेगा, maybe. Somebody may pick up very fast, not a problem. Or somebody may take some time to go up, not a problem. Just stick with that. Keep a right attitude. and give yourself a pat on the back. Boss, you are doing something good. Don't curse your mind. Oh no, गाली मत देना अपने आप को, कभी नहीं देना. Because this mind, okay, between these 2 years is the one which is helping you to proceed ahead. So don't give yourself galis and don't underestimate yourself. You can do 100 times better for sure. Okay, so somebody telling you, boss, ये नहीं हो सकेगा, आप ये नहीं कर सकते, but that is the only thing you can do. And the best part is prove everyone wrong. While I was sleeping on my couch and I had decided to join that stock market, okay, relatives used to come and tell, ये आदमी पागल हो गया है, उसको साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास लेके जाओ. How can he enter the stock market? तुम लोग डूब जाओगे, खत्म हो गया आप लोग. But think about it. Today, that same old relatives are coming and saying, Mayur bhai, kya lene chahiye? What do you feel where the market is going? That is the beauty. I did not listen to them because they don't know what they are into, because they have not done that. And even if they have done them and they have failed, they have not studied. They have not learned. And that is why they can say this. But ask the people who are making it in the market. Have they not gone through frustration? Have they not learned the market right? Think about our children. 15 years, every day, mornings, 6 o'clock, they wake up, 7 o'clock, they are running to the school. We have done everything possible. After coming back from school, ye class, wo class, ye class, wo class. And when you come in the evening, okay, after having the dinner, homework karo, next day ke liye. So much of pushing we were doing while we were young. Abhi, we have our egos in place. We don't want to study. We want everything. Aram se aane do, aram se aane do. Or why should I do this? That is killing your dreams. Change your attitude, dear. Change your attitude and see the difference. Will it take time? Fine, not a problem. Will you have to? Do you have to learn? Yes, fine. Go ahead, learn. But there is a system. There is a process. Now you will not require 6-8 months. MBA के माफिक 2 साल नहीं लगता है इसको. Now people tell me, how can you learn this craft within 1 month to 3 months time? Yes, it is practically possible. There is a system, there is a step-by-step process. So just follow that same system, that same process, and see the difference in the 3 months time period. It's not difficult. But the problem is we push ourselves of nahi yaar, nahi hoga. That attitude is killing your dreams. जब भी हम लोग जाएंगे ऊपर, okay, we should not be carrying our dreams to the graveyard. You can leave a legacy for your children and they will remember you for lifelong. With this, you can achieve your own dream. जहां पे जाना है, जहां पे घूमना है, घूम सकते हो. You can carry your ATM along with you. Not a problem. Half an hour, 1 hour, you do your work, and then 23 hours you have to enjoy your life. So guys, Mayur Sampat signing off. Please log in. We have to learn a lot. Okay, we have to go miles, and we have to create wealth for ourselves, for our family, okay, and for our next generation. So if you believe that your laptop can be your ATM machine. Okay, join me on this wonderful journey. Join me to achieve what you want, achieve your dream. Let me help you out in this particular journey. Okay, let me show you the path where it is the easiest way to go about the golden nuggets. Write down that golden nuggets which I keep on giving you. That will always be helpful. Now in that golden nuggets, 10 times may say, maybe 2 or 3 times, 4 times, it may not work. But rest of the time when it works, the money is there for you. So if you believe in yourself, if you believe in me, and if you believe in the system, okay, guys, this is the right place, the right time, and the right opportunity for every one of us to say only one thing: yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible to make money from the market. Yes, it is possible that I can learn. I can learn how to fish. It is possible that I can make my dream come true. Whatever is the age, wherever you are right now, not a problem at all. Because life gives only one opportunity. Make use of that opportunity in the right spirit. Now I have so many handicaps. Am I good? No. I am not so good. So what? But I am not bad at all. Why? Because I am able to go through that journey, bypass all the wrong, and am able to climb up the stairs. So the best part is, where I was in my computer hardware industry, okay, for 22 years, I have come a long way in the market in just a short period of time. It took 22 years to come to this level. As far as the market was concerned, I was here down below. But that has been the journey. Now, in the span of just 7-8 years, I am over here. That is the beauty. And I don't have staff. My home office I operate from. And early morning, I am ready for the market. When the market starts, I am on it. I can trade equity. I can trade commodity, silver, gold. I can trade forex. And the best part is, with whatever capital I am having, I am able to generate the wealth. So please believe in yourself. Please believe in you. And don't listen to the naysayers, because they don't want to work hard. Okay, they have made mistake. Yes, possible. Everybody makes mistake, but then they have quit. You don't have to quit. So believe in you, believe in yourself, believe in the system, that this laptop can become your ATM machine. So signing off, Mayur Sampath. Join me on this wonderful journey. Okay, and when you will watch the videos, when you will watch, please like and share the videos also. Okay, guys, please log in once again. Please log in once again for this wonderful journey. Immediate login. Thank you.